Impact of force on speed. Let's explore how force directly affects the speed of an object based on its mass. In this first part, we'll see how the force applied to an object can determine how fast it speeds up or slows down depending on its mass. When a small force is applied to the lightweight soccer ball, it accelerates rapidly, resulting in a higher speed. On the other hand, when the same force is applied to the heavier bowling ball, it accelerates more slowly, leading to a lower speed. Remember, the force applied directly affects how quickly an object speeds up or slows down. Lighter objects can change their speed more rapidly with the same force compared to heavier objects. Now let's talk about how acceleration depends on the force applied to an object. Imagine your car running out of gas. It moves slowly. But when another person joins in to push it, the extra force makes it accelerate much faster. Acceleration is simply how quickly an object's speed changes. If an object is speeding up, it is accelerating positively. If it's slowing down, it's accelerating negatively. And if it's moving at a constant speed, there's no acceleration. So how does force affect acceleration? Newton's second law tells us that the force applied to an object is directly proportional to its acceleration. In simpler terms, the stronger the force, the more an object accelerates. Imagine you're trying to push a heavy box across the floor. If you apply a gentle force, the box might start moving slowly, gradually gaining speed. But if you suddenly exert a stronger force, the box will accelerate much faster, covering more distance in less time. To put this into mathematical terms, we can use Newton's formula, force equals mass times acceleration. This formula tells us that the force needed to accelerate an object is directly proportional to both the object's mass and the desired acceleration. But remember, it's not just about force. Mass also plays a crucial role. Objects with more mass require more force to achieve the same acceleration as lighter objects. Think of it like trying to push a large truck versus pushing a small car moving at the same speed. The truck needs more force because it has more mass. In general, the more force applied to an object, the greater its acceleration. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the amazing world of physics.